Hi there, in today's video I will show you how we're gonna dismantle completely the front grille on a Mercedes W116. Let's watch it now. To remove the radiator grille, we're gonna use a spanner of 8 and we're gonna remove those bolts that are here. We've got 3 on this side and 3 on this side. Okay, we remove them and we remove the grille. Between the bonnet and the radiator grille, you've got a rubber. If yours is gone or stuck like this one, you can remove it and replace it with a new one. To continue the dismantling, we are going to be using a flat screwdriver, a star screwdriver, pliers, and a spanner of 8. To start, we can remove the star. That's the below part. Mine is broken, and I will make a video on how to fix this. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna be removing this with a plier, and we're gonna slide this towards here, towards the left, and we're gonna be removing it. Now that the star is removed, we're gonna remove the second emblem, and for this we're gonna use a spanner of 8 and we're gonna place it here. Be careful, this is aluminium and sometimes with time it tends to break. Therefore I would suggest that you place a little bit of WD-40 on it before to unscrew it. Now we are gonna remove the screw at the bottom. So we're gonna use a screwdriver on this end, and on this side a spanner of 8. Again, we're gonna place the 3-in-1 or the WD-40. I have finally removed it, but it broke, and I find it weird that it's mounted like that, because on the W124 or W126 it's actually inox, so I find it very weird that there's something that can rust that's mounted on this. So I don't think this is from the factory. I suppose or assume that at some point this has been changed, but I may be wrong. Okay, so anyway, I will change that with another one. Now we're gonna remove this clip and the other one. We can use a plier or we can use a screwdriver as well to help it go away, and then we'll be able to remove the grille. We now have access to the plastic grille. Here we go. Now if you need to paint the grille, you can also remove those strips, or if they're damaged, you can remove them. You simply slide them, okay? You slide them and they will come off, you see? So it's a bit hard, it goes a bit by force, but here we go, you see? So you remove them like that. Here we go, okay? So you can do the same thing with all of them, and then you'll be able to paint this or change this if it's broken, like this one for instance, okay? And then place those ones back on the grille, okay? Well, that's it. Now you know how to dismantle completely your front grille and to change any parts you need, okay? So I hope that you have liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like that, and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.